Next, cardiac cycle. Cardiac events occurs from the beginning of one heartbeat to beginning of another heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. These are sequential events. These are cyclically repeated events. Cardiac cycles are cyclically repeated events. Cardiac cycle includes systole and diastole. Systole and diastole of the both atria and ventricle. It includes, cardiac cycle includes systole and diastole of the both atria and ventricles. It means atria systole and diastole and ventricle systole and diastole. These are called cardiac cycles. Heartbeat. Heartbeat means the sequential, the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called heartbeat. Sequential or rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart is called heartbeat. Heartbeat is started from at the end of 1 month of the pregnancy. Once a heartbeat is initiated, it continues throughout life because cardiac muscles are without fatigue. It contains numerous sarcosomes and myoglobin and copious supply of blood vessels. The duration of cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds. 0.8 seconds means 60/72 per minute. Heartbeats, 72 times heartbeats per minute is 0.8 seconds. 8 seconds. The duration of cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds. In this atrial systole, this is atrial systole. Atrial systole is 0.1 second and atrial diastole is 0.7 seconds. This is atrial diastole, 0.7 seconds. Ventricular systole is 0.3 seconds and the ventricular diastole is equal to 0.5 seconds. This is the cardiac events, cardiac duration. One cardiac cycle duration is 0.8 seconds. These are the cardiac events. Cardiac cycles include joint diastole, atrial systole, atrial diastole, ventricular diastole, ventricular systole, ventricular diastole, atrial systole, atrial diastole, joint diastole. Next, cardiac events. Joint diastole, atrial systole, ventricular systole, ventricular diastole. Joint diastole. This is right atrium, left ventricle, left ventricle. This is systemic artery. This is pulmonary artery. These are semilunar valves. These are AV valves. Tricuspid, bicuspid valves. During joint diastole means entire heart is relaxed. This is called joint diastole. In joint diastole, blood enters into the atria. Blood enters into the atria through postcaval vein and precaval veins, precaval vein and postcaval vein and pulmonary vein, pulmonary veins. In joint diastole, blood enters into the right atrium and left atrium through caval veins and pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein sends blood into the left atria and caval veins sends blood into the right atria. In joint diastole, AV valves are open. AV valves are open. Both tricuspid and bicuspid valves are open. Semilunar valves are closed. Semilunar valves are closed. So, when AV valves are open, blood enters into the ventricles. Blood enters into the ventricles from atria. Right ventricle receives blood, deoxygenated blood from right atria, and left ventricle receives oxygenated blood from left atria. During joint diastole, 70% of ventricles are filled with blood. 70% of ventricles are filled with blood in the joint diastole. This is passive filling. Passive filling. Important points. Joint diastole. In joint diastole, both atria and ventricles are relaxed stage. During this stage, AV valves are open. AV valves are open and semilunar valves are closed. Atria receives blood from vena caves, precaval vein and postcaval vein and pulmonary veins. These atrial blood enters into the ventricles. By AV valves. 70% of ventricles are filled in the joint diastole. This filling is passive filling because there is no contraction of the cardiac muscles. Next, atrial systole. Atria systole. After joint diastole, SCR node generate action potentials. SCR node generate action potential. These action potential spread into the atrias. So this causes atrial contraction. In atrial contraction, AV valves are open. Semilunar valves are closed state. Semilunar valves are closed. Blood, when the contraction of atria, pressure increase in the atria, this causes blood enters into the ventricles. Blood enters into the ventricles through the AV valves. 30% of ventricles are filled in the atrial systole. This is 30% of ventricles are filled in the atrial systole. It is active filling. because due to the atrial contraction. Atrial contraction. Next, ventricular systole. Ventricular systole. In ventricular systole, ventricles are the impulse generating from the SA node enters into the ventricles by the special conducting system present in the heart. These are Purkinje fibers, SA node, AV node, bundle of his, bundle branches, Purkinje fibers. These are enters into the entire ventricle. This causes ventricular contraction. In ventricular contraction, the pressure increase in the ventricles. The pressure increase in the ventricles. This pressure causes AV valves are closed. AV valves are closed. This closed AV valves causes lump sound. Lump sound. Important. Lump sound is caused by closing of AV valves. Bicuspid and tricuspid valves are forcefully closed. This causes lump sound. This is first heart sound. Lump sound is the first heart sound. It is caused by closing of AV valves. Closing of AV valves. When the increased pressure in the ventricles causes semilunar valves are open. Semilunar valves open. So blood enters into the pulmonary and systemic arches. Pulmonary and systemic arches. Closing of AV valves causes the prevent the backflow of blood into the atria from ventricles. Closing of AV valves prevent the backflow of blood from the ventricles to atria. At the end of the atrial systole is equal at the end of the ventricular diastole. End of the atrial systole is equal end of the ventricular diastole. Next, ventricular diastole. Ventricle muscles are relaxed. Due to relaxation of ventricular muscle, pressure decrease in ventricles. This causes closing of semilunar valves. Closing of semilunar valves. Closing of semilunar valves produces sound called dub sound. Dub sound. The second heart sound. Lump sound is formed in the ventricular systole. It is caused by closing of AV valves. Dub sound is caused by closing of semilunar valves. Important. Pressure decrease in atria, high pressure in the atria, less pressure in the ventricles. This causes AV valves are open. AV valves are open. The blood enters into the ventricle freely. The blood again enters into the ventricle freely from the atria. It receives blood from the precaval veins and pulmonary veins. Now the atria and ventricles are relaxed. It causes joint diastole. Next, new impulse. SA node generate new impulse, new heartbeat. These are the sequences most important. Joint diastole, AV valves open, semilunar valves are closed. Atrial AV valves open, semilunar valves are closed. Ventricular diastole, ventricular systole, AV valves closed, semilunar valves are opened. Lup sound occurs in the ventricular systole. Ventricular diastole, semilunar valves are closed, AV valves are open. Next, cardiac output. Cardiac output. Cardiac output. Stroke volume is multiplied with number of heartbeats per minute gives cardiac output. Stroke volume. Stroke volume. The volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle. The volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle for each beat is called stroke volume. The volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle for each heartbeat is called stroke volume. Cardiac output. Cardiac output means each ventricle, the volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle per minute is called cardiac output. Cardiac output means the volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle per minute is called cardiac output. Stroke volume means volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle for each heartbeat is called stroke volume. Stroke volume, generally stroke volume is 70 ml. Average 70 ml of blood is pumped out by each ventricle. Number of heartbeats 70 to 75. Average 72 is multiplied 40 ml. Average 5 liters of blood circulate each cardiac cycle. Stroke volume. Stroke volume is equal end of the diastolic volume minus end of the systolic volume. End of the diastolic volume minus end of the systolic volume is equal to stroke volume. 70% of ventricles are filled in the joint diastole and 30% of ventricles are filled in the atrial systole. Totally, end of the diastolic volume, ventricles contains 120 ml of blood. Ventricles contain 120 ml of blood. 120 ml of blood. During ventricular systole, each ventricle pumps out 70 ml of blood. Each ventricle pumps out 70 ml of blood. Remaining 50 ml of blood remain in the ventricles. 50 ml is end systolic volume. 50 ml is end systolic volume of ventricles. Ventricular systole coincide with atrial diastole. Ventricular systole coincide with atrial diastole.